That's on.
It's a lot of dog tape. Oh, let me start with it. Oh, thank you. This is it.
Sorry. He's doing it here.
I'm doing it here, babe.
Find anything again? There's a big dollar right here, right? There's a small dollar right here, big dollar right here. Yes, small, medium, or large.
Pardon? Oh, that's it?
So there's a right up with a hook, stored with a hook. We got a brush. 160. 160 hard brush.
Yeah.
Where's that 500?
Oh, this is 500.
200 man. Hard brush.
Oh, come back, I'm just from the bathroom.
Probably about two.
No, not this time.
A suitcase for when you get a visa.
You know I walked out, right? That's it. Let me get it.
Bạn có cho ăn không? Canada egg wow. They don't make that here? Or only doubles in Trinidad? outfit you like it.
Try one by me. You want to buy me this one? That was good. Really, it's just coming for the song.
Huh?
Look how many people there are sleeping.
Yeah, so that's a travel free. Oh yeah, there's a go Baksani, you know.
Baksani right over
Yeah.
Over there, we got a
Wait,
Yeah.
you are Baksani.
Where we do there?
Wait, we actually pass Amanda as a Beirut.
I think we're in there.
And Sabu, I said a closed school, but after I don't know if she sell it.
Oh, we went into the one after there the girls said I got it.
In polyester, what she talks about, so I look for. It's like you get them short and design shorties. Me come out here, and me not done pack. Yeah, but me not done pack.
Well, yeah, you don't pay for C already. So what's the name of the store?
Smart Choice Boutique.
Smart Choice at Reno Hook. Huh? Smart Choice.
Molly, just say, with after this sour, it's free. It's free to do. So look at this sour. How big is sour over there? She buys the chips and she buys sour. This is the sauce pretty for me for sour. Hard. See, I make them for me, but I think they're hard. Yeah. And this is the chips. Standard, you can see.
Are you sure it's not 12 night, eh?
You know, we can say that.
Yeah. You tell me how much stuff.
You got canteras?
Oh, go to carry this? Yeah, that's sure. If not, we're going to sleep in the back half of this. No, sorry. Yeah, but everything.
Sorry.
Oh, lemon is sour. Just two, but left is sour. And I if you can make by sour over there. They can
What's the right thing? Them short this.
Yeah. 1600.
Oh, shit.
okay, I had a shirt right there.
All these jeans. Oh, they're polyester.
It doesn't say, does it?
They got all polyester upstairs. She said
It doesn't
upstairs.
say,
She
right?
said they have more upstairs. So we can go this way, right? We can go upstairs.
Well, wouldn't it be the same as this? Huh? Martin Street. Yeah. Abercrombie, $1,000, right? Cheap. Euro 900. Do you have any polyester shirts?
Oh, that's all.
This is that.
Shorts.
But it doesn't. Yeah, no. I gotta go look to see now.
Thousand a pound.
It's so cold here at Hope.
Granny short mix.
Yeah. Don't put too much on the on that.
It's alright.
Yeah, that's good,
While
that's
we're
good.
watching it.
Yeah, that'll work. I got no smart things. Oh shit. Thank you.
Åh, se jag! Han är hela vägen.
Refreshing. This on. Alright, buddy, thanks.
Bye bye!
Alright guys, we're done shop, so we're heading home now.
Yeah,
We're in a taxi. You gotta stand right here, man. I gotta pick up one last thing, chicken. Mohammed's chicken. Let's see, you got some chicken here. You're not cut it out. You're not cut up.
So what's this?
28.
No, but it's roast chicken?
Yeah.
Let's take this one. Yeah.
Alright guys, so that's it for the shopping. We're gonna take a leave now. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a like, comment, subscribe, share the video. And as always, thanks for watching.
What you like?
right here, right over right that side.